They say that the kitchen is the heart of the home, and I believe that it's true. So today I've teamed up with Lamps Plus to share some really fun updates that we recently made to our kitchen, as well as some spring and summer styling tips. So let's get started. I really hope you enjoy this video and that it inspires you in some way. I thought I'd share a quick shot of the previous lighting. I ordered this lighting before we ever moved into our home, both the pendant lighting and the kitchen nook lighting. And although they were both very beautiful, they just didn't feel substantial enough for the space. So I hopped on the lampsplus.com website to do a little shopping. I've been a Lamps Plus customer for many years, not only because of the quality of their products, but they have a huge selection and a little something for everyone in all price ranges. And here's a quick tip when you're hanging pendant lighting over an island. The recommended height is somewhere between 32 and 34 inches above the island. But don't worry if you still have questions, because Lamps Plus actually has you covered there too. They have some really great YouTube videos to give you all the help you need, and I'll link them below in the description box. I chose the Largo 3-light pendants for over the island, and I'm absolutely in love with them. I'll have a direct link to them in the description box below. And for the kitchen nook area, I chose the Hinkley Fulton wide bronze chandelier. When I saw it, I immediately fell in love with the minimalist lines and the industrial look. And my favorite part is that there's no glass in this chandelier to clean or block the view of our beautiful backyard. I think it's a perfect fit. We had an electrician come in and update our switch plates to match their background for a more cohesive look. When styling for spring, I actually like to use colors that I can pull right over into summer so I can skip restyling the home. You guys will not believe I found these runners on clearance at Lowe's for $20. I couldn't leave them and they fit in perfectly. I thought I'd share that we decided to stone underneath our primary island because it's a much more durable option than drywall. And another spring styling tip that I thought I'd share is to use colors that mimic the sun, like bright yellows. And the walls in the kitchen nook were kind of bare, so I added some wall art from there as well that I got from Ballard Design. And if you've been following me on Instagram for a while, you know my absolute favorite flower is a hydrangea. You'll see them in our home every spring and summer. We really enjoy seasonal family photos, so I change them out every few months, as well as the wreaths in our kitchen. And if you watch us on Instagram, then you know, guys, we take this down when we cook, and I would recommend that you do the same. And our butler's pantry is a rather small space, so I don't put too much decor in this area. It's usually just styled with the wine of the day and the coffee of the day. You guys, I am so excited about the updated lighting in our kitchen. I think it's made such a huge impact, and I just love looking at it day or night. It's so, so beautiful. I really hope you guys enjoyed this spring summer kitchen tour and that maybe you got some ideas that inspired you for your own homes. And stay tuned, I have some more really fun videos coming up for you for the summer for indoor and outdoor spaces. And I'd like to extend a sincere thank you to Lamps Plus for sponsoring this video. Until next time, my friends, love and peace.